Hi dear children, I am Sindhu, one of your maths teacher. Children, I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Now you have reached in 9th standard. That means next year you are going to face a board exam. Which is that board exam? SSLC. We know SSLC is a stepstone of your future. So, my dear children, don't skip any one of the point what is there in that 9th standard. Because 10th standard contents are continuous portion of 9th standard. We know in this pandemic situation, one of the major concern is our education. But you don't worry, we are there with you. We can work together. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Do you know which is our first chapter? Yes, which is our first chapter? Area. Before discussing about area, we can discuss some basic things. Children, we know the basic part of our geometry is point. What is the basic part of the geometry? Point. So from the point only we can start to draw any geometrical figure. And when we are collecting all the points in a straight path or path, collection of all the points in a path is known as straight line or line. That means if it is a straight path, straight line. If any path, that will be curved line. Okay. So collection of points in a path is known as line. If it is straight, that will be known as straight line. Okay. Now, using straight lines, we can make many things. That means angles we can make polygons. Then did you think how many line segments are needed for making a polygon? Yes, exactly correct. How many line segments are minimum? How many line segments are needed for making a polygon? 3 minimum line segments are needed for polygon. That is why we have studied from very lower classes onwards. 3-sided closed figure is known as three or more sided closed figure is known as polygon. Okay, so we have given specific name for 3-sided polygon, 4-sided polygon, 5-sided polygon, etc. So let us see some examples here. 3-sided polygon is known as triangle. 4-sided polygon is known as quadrilateral. 5-sided polygon is known as pentagon. 6-sided polygon, hexagon. 7-sided polygon, heptagon. 8-sided polygon, octagon, etc. Now, in a polygon, if all the sides and angles are equal, in a polygon, if all the sides and angles are equal, that will be known as regular polygon. What will be known as regular polygon? Okay, so can you tell in triangle which is the regular polygon or regular triangle? Yes, exactly correct. Which is that? Equilateral triangle. Because in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. Tell me children, what is the measure of each angle in an equilateral triangle? Yes, exactly. You are correct. 60 degree. In an equilateral triangle, all the three angles are 60 degree. Similarly, when we take a quadrilateral, what is the regular quadrilateral? Is it rectangle? No. What is that? Square. What is that? Square. Why square become regular quadrilateral? Because we know in a square all the 4 sides are equal and all the 4 angles are equal. Tell me children, what is the angle of each angle of square? That also everybody know, 90 degree. Am I right now? So in a regular quadrilateral, what is the name? What is the name of a regular quadrilateral? Yes, of course, square. Similarly, when we take a pentagon, when the all sides and angles are equal, such a pentagon is known as regular pentagon. In a hexagon, all angles and sides are equal, that will be known as regular hexagon, etc. Now we can discuss about triangle. Triangle is one of the important polygon in our daily life or in our construction area or engineering field. Listen, now we can discuss basic things about triangle. We know that triangle is a three-sided closed figure or three-sided polygon is known as triangle. Based on sides, it has three types. What are these? Equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? If three sides are equal, that is known as equilateral triangle. If two sides are equal, that is known as isosceles triangle. If three sides are different measures, that is known as scalene triangle. Similarly, based on angles, the triangles are three types: acute angled triangle, right triangle, obtuse angled triangle. What is acute angled triangle? If all the three angles are below 90 degree, that is known as acute angled triangle. If any one of the angle is exact 90 degree, that is known as right triangle. If any one of the angle is more than 90 degree, that is known as obtuse angled triangle. Children, now I have drawn a triangle on the board. What is the name of the triangle? ABC. What are the three sides of a triangle? AB, BC, AD. Sorry, AC. AB, BC, AC are the three sides of the triangle. And what are the angles of a triangle? ABC, BAC, ACB. And what are the three vertices of a triangle? Yes, of course, everybody know. Then A is one of the vertex and B is another vertex and C is third vertex. And when we consider the triangle ABC, this BC is known as base of the triangle. Am I right, children? Base. Okay? Base of the triangle. And now I have drawn a perpendicular line from the vertex A to opposite side BC. What is the name of that perpendicular line? AD. Okay, so this AD, what is the specialty of this AD? AD is a perpendicular line from the vertex A to opposite side. What is the specific name of that perpendicular line? Yes, everybody know that is height of the triangle. Correct, no? So what is the meaning of height of a triangle? The perpendicular line drawn from a vertex to its opposite side. So we can draw only one height for a triangle? No, of course we can draw one more. One more only? No, two more we can draw. So when we turn this triangle ABC, that can be AC base. Okay? I have turned this triangle. So A become here, C become here and B is here. Now from this point or vertex B to AC we can draw one another perpendicular line. Okay, likewise. So this also a perpendicular line. I have marked it as a BE. BE also perpendicular line from vertex to opposite side AC. So that also can be considered as height of the triangle. Now, again if I am turning this triangle once more, so B will be here, A will be here and C will be here. If I am turning, you have to imagine that. Okay. When I turn that triangle, C became here and B became here and A became here. Then again I can draw one more perpendicular line from C to AB likewise. Okay, I can give it as F. So CF is another height of a triangle ABC. So based on the vertex and opposite side, height measures will be different. Okay, now in this triangle ABC, AD is a perpendicular line drawn from A to BC. BE is drawn from B to AC. And CF drawn from C to AB. So what is the meaning of height of a triangle? Height of a triangle is the perpendicular line segment drawn from vertex to its opposite side. How many heights can be drawn in a triangle? Yes, of course, 3 sides or 3 heights can be drawn in a triangle. Okay, now I have drawn 2 different triangles on the board. One is right triangle because angle B is 90 degree. This one is obtuse angled triangle because from the figure itself we are able to understand angle B is more than 90 degree. Now tell me children, what will be height of this triangle ABC? Yes, one height will be AB itself because from A to opposite side BC, can you draw any other perpendicular line than AB? No, we are not able to draw because from a point to one opposite side we can draw only one perpendicular line. Here already AB is perpendicular to BC because here it is 90 degree. We know the angle between perpendicular line will be always 90 degree, or if the 90 degree angle, if you are drawing a 90 degree angle, these two lines are perpendicular to each other. That already we have studied from very lower classes. Am I right? So AB is one of the height. So this can be considered as height from A to BC. Similarly, when we take vertex C, from C to opposite side AB, this side is perpendicular, no? Because here it is 90 degree. So this also can be considered as height of the triangle ABC. So in a right triangle, altitude and base of the triangle will be height of the triangle. Similarly, when we are taking an obtuse angled triangle, you can see this one is the obtuse angled triangle and angle B is an obtuse angle. Then how can you draw a perpendicular line from the vertex A to opposite side BC? Can you draw inside the figure? No, we are not able to do. Such cases, what you can do? You can extend the base. This is base, no? You can extend the base. And after the extension, draw a perpendicular line from A to opposite side. By that time, don't consider CD as base. You have to consider BC as base and AD as height. Okay, children. Now, children, what all are the things we discussed now? Yes, we discussed about polygon, 3-sided polygon, triangle, 4-sided polygon, quadrilateral, 5-sided polygon, pentagon, etc. Then we discussed about types of triangle and how can we draw the height of a triangle. Okay, you have to study well all these points. Okay, thank you.